Nando in Wicker Park is a founder pick for a date night destination. We're sitting here with Dario, who is the owner of Nando. Do you want to give us a little background on your restaurant?
Absolutely. Well, when I opened Nando for the first time here in Chicago, I didn't have any other doubt to call my brother and my cousin from Italy. Now we have other restaurants in Italy, and when I just opened, I just asked my executive chef Alessandro. He's been working in Verona for more than 35 years to come over here and help us because he knows all the Northern Italian recipe. So what we serve here in Nando, like authentic, traditional Northern Italian recipe. That's a recipe that we do in the other place.
You guys make your own limoncello, right?
We do. People love the limoncello that we serve, the rancello.
I've sampled it. It's delicious.
Yeah, I know you like it.
It's delicious.
Well, when I opened Nando, I had just a vision, like where I'm gonna put my date tonight. So I had this kind of vision to make this place like warm, cozy, modern, traditional, but at the same time comfortable for the people that wanna come over here, like a romantic feeling.
Some of the reasons why we think this is such a great place is that you can make reservations here. Some great restaurants you can't make reservations, and reservations is a must-do. Just the whole experience from beginning to end is just really intimate, quality service, and great food. And Dario actually designed Nando for a place that he would take a woman out on a date, and I think that anybody would get points for taking a girl out here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it, Sandra.
Well, cheers to that.
Salute.
Salud.